What's up, guys? Let me show you guys on how you can easily create TokenPocket wallet less than 5 minutes right now in this video. Subscribe, like, share this video to everybody in your community to know on how to create a TokenPocket. If you're interested in crypto updates, making money in crypto, all right, crypto analysis, crypto trading strategies, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. So let me just click on this install right now to install the app on my app right now. Right now I'm done with the install. Let me just click on open. I will just try to open it right now, TokenPocket, and I will show you step-by-step strategy on how you can open a new fresh account right now. So right now, make sure you come to this particular area. No, click on no new account. Then you can select this particular one, or this one. Then you can select if you want to use it has many wallets, you can select this one, either this one, or you can just select this particular one, the up one, like this. Then you need to just make sure to input your wallet name, the password, and everything right now. Let me just do that right now. You select you can say crypto 2045, just name it crypto 45. Then you put your main password and everything. It's that simple and easy. This one is optional. Then you click on this one. So let me just do that now. After successful create your password and everything, just create a new wallet right now, crypto 45. Agree, is that, click on understand. Then make sure you guys to click on this area, all right, to like this. You are done. Then to now generate a your own phrase for you right now. That simple and easy, like this. Then you just make sure this is your phrase. Don't show it with anybody. Don't show the phrase to anybody. All right, don't show the phrase to anybody. Make sure you copy your phrase here and save it somewhere. Save it somewhere. All right, open, confirm. I've already copied my own. I'll just save it somewhere. So don't show the phrase to anybody. It's just a random no, don't show it with anybody. All right, let me just show you. You can see this is the type of the phrase they are telling you, because this video is just tutorial video. So this is 12 phrase. Don't show the phrase to any single body. All right, it's very simple and easy, guys. So let me just go straight to the point right now. So you can see this particular wallet has many. You can use Bitcoin, you can use anyone you like. If you want to just stay with, if you want to use BEP20 on this one, you can untick anyone. You can untick any of these. Let's say I just want to go for BEP20 network for this. You can see you can select money blockchain, but I just want to stick to BEP20 because of the thing we want to do here. So I don't want to go for all this network. I just want to use BEP20 network only, BNB chain network. Confirm. You can see it's generating my wallet. I'll just click on this confirm. You can see I have already successfully have my understood, right? You can see my account is BSC network, so you can see, and even my BNB is also a BNC network. You can see, and it's very fast, secure, no anything. So this is a simple, you can just create your TokenPocket wallet less than a minute. If you enjoyed this video, thank you guys for try to share this video, subscribe, like, and share this video. It's very simple and easy. Just make sure to save your phrase in a saver area. Write it down. And thank you guys for watching. My next call, I will show you how to stake your USDT on your account to make extra USDT for yourself. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.